Hey guys, and we're back with another Factions episode. So yeah, I've been really enjoying Factions right now. So yeah, me and Agent Lee right here built our base. So yeah, we killed this guy a lot of times. So yeah, we're on Cora.cx. So yeah, if you missed other episode 3, then go check it out. You don't want to miss anything. So yeah. He doesn't have Skype, but whatever, we can still record. Wait, we have a wood chest? Wow. Um, go. So yeah, he's right here. Let's go. Yep. So yeah, last episode, I didn't really feel like making a new faction. I mean, joining a new faction, but I made a new one. Like I asked anyone if they need a faction or anything like that, and then I just let them join. So yeah, this is what it is. You know what it is. Black and yellow, black. No, I'm just kidding. Black and yellow, pedal to the metal. Black and yellow. So yeah, what's it gonna do? What was I gonna do? I forgot. Oh yeah. So yeah, I didn't really plan anything out for this episode. But yeah, what else? I was being it. Lol. Oh yeah, I forgot to do this. Yeah, we have tons of ores. We're set on those ores. Look at the ores chest. Boom. So yeah, we're pretty good on ores. Emerald. Black and yellow. Hey, why'd you take it? What the heck? What's he doing? Slash F. What was it? What was I gonna do? Whatever. So yeah, let's do this. Yeah, this noob died earlier. It was this guy. Agent. Wait. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, but he really did die though. Tools, sword, bow. So yeah. This is MCMMO Factions, so just in case you guys were wondering. Yeah, I posted the Factions episode 3 like 5 minutes ago or so. So yeah. Wait. I have. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I need these. So make furnace. Okay. Put it there. Put it there. Boom shakalaka. Boom shakalaka. And yeah, we're good. So yeah, all we need are signs. Let's go. Oh, we have signs. Well, we have 2. We need a weapons. Okay. Tools. Movies. Weapons. Okay. Now we do this. Farming stuff, because we're gonna start farming soon. I like episode 10 or so. Okay. Yeah, we're still gonna need some more chests. What the hell are you doing? Oh, I see what you're doing now. Okay. Alright. Let him do what he's gonna do. Hold on. Put something up there. Put something up there. Hold it in place. What you wanna do? Oh, I know what to do. Make it good. Boom shakalaka. Yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Yeah, sorry. This episode is gonna be 15 minutes since the other one restarted. Oh my god, that was funny. Um. Uh. Uh. Um. Hmm. Random. Raid chest. Raid stuff. Stuff. My chest. Jack 3-1. Chest. His chest. Yeah. Agent Lee's chest. Thing going out. Oh god. Okay. And you make me wanna say, oh, 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 oh my god, oh, 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 oh. And the pros? And the pros? Starships were meant to fly. Let's do this one last time. Starships were meant to. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, random. One last time. Starships were meant to fly. Let's do this one more time. Starships were meant to fly. What else can we do? Agent PvP. Wanna go PvP. Yep. Starships were meant to fly. Starships were meant to fly. Yeah, we gotta get some apples because I can make god apples. Starships were meant to fly. Let's do this one last time. Yay! Have YouTube lol. XD. So PvP. So yeah, really good server. And I mean really good. Like so good that uh, uh, it would break your butt off. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. So good, it would so good that it would mm, uh, so good that it would uh, knock your socks off. Woo! Yup. Man, that took a lot of thinking. Potions. Starships were meant to fly. Let's do this one more time. Yep, shout out to Minds Epics, to Epic Snipes 999. I'll tell it's Jack MC. I'll send you a link. So yeah, actually, whoa, boy. Oh no, you didn't. I will. Dude, I sound like a monkey. Starship, you're meant to fly. What is this? What's it gonna be? What you gonna do when they come for you? Yeah. Oh, literally the same thing. Starships are meant to fly. Yeah. Let's do this. Oh yeah, BRB. Starships were meant to fly. Aye, aye, let's do this one more time. I'm recording too. Oh god, F chat. Starships were meant to fly. Yeah, let's do this one last time. So yeah, slash F. How do I make F tag Jack31's owner? How do I do that? F tag. No, that's not the right one. Slash F. How the heck did you make a freaking anvil? No, not bars. So yeah, like, video, subscribe, and peace out. Beatbox!